I feel as though it goes without saying that life has its ups and downs. There's happiness, and then, of course, there's sadness. As we all know, you can't have the good without the bad. It all sort of blends together to create the adventure called life. The thing is, along the way of this thing known as life, a lot of people enjoy sharing happiness and trying to spread that message. That could be through positive vibes, helping one another, acting in a good nature towards the world, or anything else. What matters is that happiness and sadness are what make the world go around. People love to spread the good vibrations to others, especially with the rise of the internet and social media. So, how can the power of happiness and positivity help to benefit you or your business? I mean, aside from the obvious point that being happy is awesome. By leveraging the massive outreach that social networks present to you, you can easily have other people spread the word about your marketing and business. This can all be done through the use of what is often referred to as quote poster images. The chances are you've already seen one of these images and you haven't even realized it. Basically, you take an interesting photo or image and then place a catchy or unique and relatable quote or statistic over the top of it. After that, you can even put your own logo, website URL, or branding on the image. From there, you post the quote poster image on social media such as Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, or even a blog on a website. Next, you can advertise, share, and spread the post through paid or free traffic, and watch how users will relate to your quote poster and share it. You can attach any URL or message to the image, and even on the image. The ideas and viral potential are truly limitless. The end result is that people will see that along with the quote poster, and it will massively advertise your brand. In essence, you're planting a viral seed and watching as others make it grow. There's truly minimal effort involved for you. At this point, you may be wondering how you can create those quote poster images, or you may be worried that it sounds like tedious, expensive work. Remember what I said earlier about using happiness to inspire others and spread the message of your business? Well, what if I told you that you could grab 100 high-quality quote posters all based around happiness? Better yet, how about if you could receive the editable PSD Photoshop source files so that you can modify these images effortlessly? Best of all, you'll receive a commercial usage license granting you endless usage of all 100 of these images. To top it all off, all of this can be yours for a fraction of what it would cost you to do yourself or outsource. Just check out a preview of all 100 of these images on the page below. And make sure to secure your access before it's too late and stay positive.